We have just left the Jeep, started on the route to where my dad has his spot that he's been scoping out for the past few weeks. It was a lot darker than we were expecting. We were hoping that the moonlight would kind of help us along a bit more. As you can see from the top of the video, you can see the moon in the top corner, but through the trees and everything, it was not allowing the light to come through. So it was just pitch black, and we were having a hard time finding where we were supposed to go.
We should be in range if I can hold steady from anywhere we see.
Cool.
Well, except way down there in the park.
Right.
I can't shoot that far. No, it's open sights. We're about 200 yards from the old farmstead down there.
Oh, really?
So we can see it. We should be able to shoot it. You can cross it. But it was just a son of a gun to get up. And I'm wondering if that trail where we turned this way, that trail kept going up, and I don't know, but if that trail would go along that backside of that ridge right there, just get you up more way, then it wouldn't be so bad. But I couldn't tell. And after I got over there, I was so freaking tired, I didn't want to go. So thick. Freaking tank could roll through there and we'd never see it.
Really?
Yeah, that's thick as shit down there. It's like this over here. It's just so thick.
I thought it was a good viewing spot.
It's a good spot. It's a good eye.
Right. We didn't see anything for the first part of the morning, so we decided to scout the rest of the area behind us and around the hill.
There's one of those little parks right there. Can you see it?
Yeah. Well, there's some.
That's bear shit. Jesus Christ.
There's a hummingbird.
Freaking hummingbird. Just drops straight off and straight back up. Oh, anywhere from 6 to 10 feet down. So I'm sure like in the spring it's got water in it, but not this time of year.
Oh, wow.
So they're coming up out of this heavy shit. Out here to that pasture, and they'll feed there and go back. They haven't used it yet this year, but my guess is this is where they're wintering. Be my guess. They've been eating here. In the shade, it's tenderer than if you get out there in the sunshine. So the elk or deer or whatever have been feeding right here. I'm almost wondering if it wouldn't be better to sit down here.
And then look up, yeah.
Look up. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Seems like we can see a hell of a lot more from back here.
Yeah. A hell of a lot more. These were birdhouses.
Oh.
So maybe this was a study area at one time.
We didn't see much, so we were circling back to the farmhouse that we came from. That's cool.
So at one time this was a pretty good stream.
Huh.
Could be, you know, feeding it for water, for a trough or the cabin, whatever.
Wow. Has a basement.
Yeah. Come around here and you can see it better.
Oh, there's the old one.
That's the stone one.
That's cool. I couldn't find any info on this farmhouse or the older building next to it. The only thing that we saw was a bunch of mine tillings up along the hillside where we were scoping out. But it was a really cool find and really cool to see. Huh. Wow.
I thought maybe grapes, but because that's what it looks like. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like maybe they had like a little
Orchard?
garden.
A little garden orchard. I don't see any berries.
Uh-uh.
Well, maybe. Cellar.
The only thing I could think of, because they have it kind of,
Dug in.
yeah.
Must be cool. I'm not sure what that was.
I don't know.
Gray fox is what my first thought was.
Yeah, because it was a light color.
Nope, it's a frickin' squirrel.
Is it really?
Yeah, he's right there. He's got his back to us. Big squirrel.
He hopped over
Yeah,
before I
he's
could
gone.
get him.
That's a big frickin' squirrel. He's trophy size.
Well, this is the end of our hunt. We didn't see anything and didn't spook up anything, besides a few hummingbirds. But it was a really fun hunt with my dad, and we had a really good time together. It was a very early day, but it was a very good day.